back to Sister's Kitchen. Welcome my lovely viewers and my lovely subscribers. And guys, today we're gonna make something nice for the guys them, huh? The girls too, because it's good for your acne and clear up your skin. I'm gonna make okra water. Guys, I drink a lot of this. With my high blood pressure, I drink a lot of this okra water. It's good for the guys, I mean, eh? They know that.
Good for pregnant ladies.
It's good for the pregnant ladies also. Make the baby go whoops out. So guys, make your okra water also, guys. I'm gonna show you how I make mine. So I take off this part, guys. I don't put them in the bottle like that. I just take off these. Guys, you can make it even overnight, because sometimes when I have time in the night, I make it overnight, so in the morning I drink it before I go to work, or I bring it to work with me sometimes. I bring my okra water with me to work sometimes, guys. Just wanna dry up in the heavy water here. So this is my jar that I'm gonna put it into, guys, and I cut them like this, guys. I cut them down long. And I add it to my jar. I buy these big ones just for the okra water, but the one I eat, I buy them small. Those ones over there are very small because I'm gonna cook those with some fish, guys. I'm gonna steam some fish with okra. So that's why I make those. I take those small ones, but the big ones I put them in, make my okra water. So guys, I want you to go in the comment section and tell me if you're gonna try my okra water. And girls, you try the okra water, girls, because it's good for you. Keep your face clean and nice. Make you look fresh and nice all the time. And make you fresh and nice down there too. No funky smell. So guys, now I'm gonna add my water. Most of the time I boil my water, guys. But today, too, I'm doing the video, I'm gonna use a bottled water. Hold the whole bottle. Okay, very good. So guys, I'm adding the whole bottle to it, and I'm gonna put this away for a few hours, and I'm gonna drink it. And guys, this is very good for your skin. Guys, drink your okra water, guys, and remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And guys, remember, hit on that subscribe button, please. And thank you for watching, and see you in our next video. Thank you, guys. Okay, guys. So guys, I'm gonna try my okra water just now. And guys, remember, it's good for high blood pressure, diabetes. It's good for your bone.
Good for your digestion.
And
for your heart.
So guys, drink your okra water, guys. My sisters and my brothers, drink your okra water. So guys, I'm gonna have a glass right now. As you can see. You can see it coming out. Yeah. And I'm gonna fill it up back. After drinking this glass, I'm gonna fill it back. I'm gonna give my brother-in-law a glass too. No, this one. I just finished. Oh, I hardly come out. It's okay now? Okay, so my brother-in-law want to have a drink too. So guys, it's nice. It have no taste. So guys, drink your okra water also. And my sisters and my pregnant ladies, come on guys, drink your okra water. It's good for you guys.
It's a bit slimy, but
it's a little bit slimy, but it's okay. It go down fast. This is my okra. I'm gonna eat these. I'm just gonna cook these and eat them like that. But I bought enough so I could make my okra water and have some to eat. So I'm gonna steam this tomorrow with some fish. I have a doctor fish. I'm gonna make some fish tea tomorrow with this. So okay guys, remember to like, share, comment and subscribe please. And guys, remember, drink your okra water, drink your beet juice and stay healthy guys and live longer, okay? So guys, thank you for watching and I see you guys in our next video. Okay, see you soon guys. Bye bye.